The Minnesota Department of Transportation, or MnDOT, will be performing a mill and overlay on Highway 55 between General Mills Boulevard and Highway 100 in 2021. As part of that project, MnDOT has proposed to construct a multi-use trail between Glenwood Avenue and Winnetka Avenue. This trail is identified on the City of Golden Valley's bicycle and pedestrian plan by a red line along the south side of Highway 55. This plan was developed by the city's Bike and Pedestrian Task Force and included in the city's 2040 comprehensive plan to create a multimodal transportation network throughout Golden Valley. The trail will connect Glenwood Avenue to the downtown area of Golden Valley. It will also provide future bike and pedestrian connections along Highway 55 west towards General Mills Boulevard and east towards the Perpich Center and Douglas Drive. The trail will be located on the south side of Highway 55 within MnDOT's existing right-of-way. The trail will be 10 feet wide and will include room for both bicycles and pedestrians. Connections to the trail at Winnetka, Rhode Island, and Glenwood Avenues will be improved to meet ADA requirements and enhance access. The trail will require some grading of the ditch adjacent to the highway as well as tree removal to make way for the new trail. All grading and tree removal will occur within existing public right-of-way. The construction costs of the trail are estimated in the range of $250,000 to $300,000. MnDOT has budgeted $300,000 of state dollars to contribute towards the construction of the new trail. The trail will become the city's to own, operate, and maintain after construction is completed. This includes all pavement maintenance such as crack sealing, surface treatments, overlays, and winter snow removal. Final design will be completed later this summer with the project scheduled for bidding over the winter. Construction would begin as early as the spring of 2021. It is anticipated that the highway overlay and trail work will be completed within 8 weeks from start of construction. The majority of the overlay work will occur over the weekend with the highway open to traffic using lane shifts and lane closures. Updated project schedule information will be provided via the City of Golden Valley website and MnDOT communications in 2021. Questions or comments about the project can be submitted using the link above the video on the City of Golden Valley website.